does talk. He says a lot of things. This one can say good morning, how are you, what you doing, and many more. But he doesn't do a lot of action. That is a budgie.
Lucky just died. He was okay when I bring him inside and I gave him a bit of drink and then that's it. He died. My poor baby. David come home with the baby Wiro. So it's still not tame. So how old is this one?
About 14, 16 weeks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 4 months old at least. You are right because you're gonna bite mommy. We need to train you, right? We need to train you. My daddy just picked me up today. I'm 4 months old. Heroes. So still not used to mommy. Has to get used to me. It's been biting me before, so. Hello. Hello. Ay! Dali. Yeah, water. Some water. Some water. It's been a hot day. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. It's been a hot day. Step up, good boy. Step up, come on. Step up, nah, no biting. Good boy. Step up, good boy. Come on, eat. Good boy. Good boy. Good morning, Loki. Loki, here, sunflower seed. Loki, time for up. Good boy. Okay, come on. Up. Up. Good boy. Good, good, good boy. Up. Good boy. Another one. Up. Good boy. Nice, ma'am. Good boy. Me. Do it again. Nice, ma'am. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Good boy. Okay. Shoot the ring. Shoot the ring. Good. Again. Hang on, wait. Wait, wait. Okay, shoot the ring. Shoot, shoot. Oops, you missed it. Shoot the ring. Shoot the ring. Shoot the ring. Good. Okay, one more. Okay. Shoot the ring. Shoot. No, you're cheating. Shoot the ring. Shoot the yellow. Shoot the yellow. Shoot blue. Shoot blue. Shoot blue. Come on. Shoot ball. Shoot the blue. Yay! spin. Come on, spin. Good boy. Now, finish that. Let's go with the ball. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Well done. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Good boy. Shoot the ball. Come on. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Good boy. Alright, now let's go into the ring. Shoot the ring. Well done. Very matalino. Shoot the ring. Shoot the ring. Very good boy. Shoot the ring. Well done. Such a good boy. Such a clever boy. Mommy loves you. Well done. Now we have to get the pig. There. Shoot the ring. Shoot the ring. Perfect. You done it. You done it. Now let's go back to your ball. Shoot the ball. Right one. Now get the yellow. Get the yellow. Get the yellow ball. Shoot the ball. Yellow. That's it. Good boy. Now the blue. Get the blue ball. Shoot the ball. The blue ball. Well done. Yippee. Very clever boy.